Hey guys, welcome to Shalini Futique. It's me, Shalini.
Ingredients we need to make our tortillas: maize flour, water, and salt. That's all. I'm going to add some salt, 2 pinches. Yeah, enough. And then we can add our water. It's like water and the flour are in equal amount. 1 cup, 1 cup, like that. So first mix this. Mix the salt, then add the water till 3/4 cup. You can add easily. After that 1/4 cup, it depends on the flour. If it needs, you have to add. Otherwise, it's okay. I added almost. It is less than 1/4 cup is there. Our dough is ready now. See, it is like a play-doh. That's soft. It is easily, see, and also it is moist. It's fine. It's like a play-doh. Just now we will check whether it is perfect. Just make a ball and press it. Did you see? Once the dough is ready, cover it with a paper towel or with a towel to keep it moist. I'm using a ziplock to press the tortillas. See, I took a big ziplock. I cut the sides, this side and this side, and this side it is there. I keep the dough in between and I close it and I press it. I took a ziplock and I'm going to apply small amount, just few drops of oil. Just spread it. Like the same, I'm going to apply on the other side of the ziplock. Spread it. Now close it. You can keep any heavy thing on top, any vessel or your cutting board. Gently. Ta-da! Again, just move it and do the same. And try to make a proper circle. I'm going to press. Check. Now, so it's almost done. And we need this thickness. I'll show you. See, it should be this thick. The tortilla is better. And look at the sides. It is a perfect dough. That's why it didn't break on the sides. If the dough is dry, it will get crack on the corner, on the sides. Add tortilla on your hot tawa. It's a perfect shape. I got it. Let it cook. Sprinkle very little oil on top. We cannot touch it. Yeah, I can touch it. Not change its color like chapati. Just a few brownish spots you can see here and there. That's all. And a perfect tortilla will puff up. Let's see mine. I'm pressing it with the paper towel. Then See, my tortilla is trying to puff up. And that's all like that. Turn both the sides and cook it. Once it is ready, keep it inside the hot box or you cover it with a kitchen towel. Maintain softness, otherwise it will be dry. That's all, it is ready now. We can take it out. It's perfect. Our tortillas are ready and it is really nice and good. You can try it and enjoy. Try it and enjoy.